Hi YouTube, just want to do a very quick unboxing from Ulta. I got two. Everyone know that they have 21 days, 50% off on selected item. So and you have to purchase on that day, and I think within a month, within that 21 day, if you purchase $100 more, and then you get extra points, something like that. And the funny thing is when Ulta does that, and then Sephora also have those items on sale, and only on each day they have different items, and then you have to purchase on that day. So on the first time, and then the first day I got the Elemis whole collagen marine cream. I used this before, and they are pricey, so when they're 50% off, I think it's a good deal to get it. And they are hydrated and use it day and night, and I think it's really good brand. So I hope you guys did get that. If not, I think Sephora sales is coming. I'm not sure they have this brand, probably they don't, but Elemis always have promotion, so you need to sign up and then you can get the newsletter. I can put down the link below, and so you can go in and check out that product. And I also get this cool set. I used their cleansing gel before, and it's very good to remove makeup and things like that. I purchased this in Japan before, and they are not pricey, but in here I guess it's not that popular, so they only sell in Ulta. I'm not sure other places sell it, but this is a kit that they have cleansing gel, facial wash, lotion, and facial cream. So I'm glad I got that. I think this is like $13 for the whole set, but this is not the 50% off item, but I just added to it. And then I also got this dermatological. This is some kind of cleansing gel, and I think this brand is really like a clean product. They don't have a lot of fragrance, and they are very gentle for your face. I used their hydrated spray and then serum before, and it's pretty good, so I just want to get this before the sales. I also got the Clinique Even Better concealer, and I've been wanted to get this for a long time, but I want to wait for the sales because I have so many other concealer. But this is special because they have this cushion head, and if you don't like to use this, and you can just open it up by using the wand. So I bought the stone color, and I'm waiting for Clinique sending me the stone foundation. So if that come in, I'm gonna do makeup simple makeup tutorial again. And I also got this brand Florence. It's a cream blush, and it looks pretty clean. It's plastic, and also let me swatch it. It's very smooth. Ooh, look at the color. I like that color. There's no fragrance. So this is not also 50% off, but I think this is only 14, and I think I would like to try it out. And look at that. It's pretty good. Oh, it's very easy to blend too. So this is all I got from Ulta, and next week I'm gonna purchase a lot of items from Sephora, and I'm so excited about that. You can check out my other video, talk about what I'm gonna get from Sephora, but my list is much longer. It's getting longer, and then it's more expensive, but we'll see. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.